Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about insects from general knowledge. Okay, children, an insect is a small or tiny animal. Some insects have wings also. And children, most of the insects have 6 legs. We see them in our homes and gardens. Children, you all know insects can fly, crawl and hop. Now children, let's see the body parts of an insect. Like human beings, insect also has different body parts. Now let's see what are they. Children, this is antenna. Okay, insects have 2 antennas. See, 1, 2. It has 2 antennas on its head. Okay. Now these are the eyes of an insect. Okay. Now this is the head of an insect. These are the legs of an insect. Insects mostly have 6 legs. Okay. Now these are the wings of an insect. And children, this is the body of an insect. Okay, so these are the different parts of body of an insect. Now children, let's study about different insects in details. Children, this is house fly. Okay, it is also called as fly. It is a very small insect and it is mostly found in our homes. That's why it is called house fly. And children, house fly loves to eat rotten food and it spreads various diseases. Okay. Children, this is butterfly. It is the most beautiful insect. It has colorful and very beautiful wings. Okay. And children, you all know butterfly loves to eat the juicy liquid from the flowers. Okay. This is cockroach. Children, you all might have seen cockroach at your home, right? It eats rotten food. This is spider. Okay, children, spider has 8 legs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 legs. Okay, children. And children, spider makes webs on ceilings and walls of the house. See, children, this is the net of the spider. It is called spider's web. It makes web to catch its food like other small insects. Okay. Children, this is mosquito. Okay. It lives on grass as well as in our homes. Children, mosquito sucks blood from animals and humans. It is very dangerous to human health. And children, mosquito spreads various diseases. This is honeybee. Children, you all know honeybee collects honey from the flowers. Okay, it collects honey from the flowers. And then what it does? It makes a hive on the tree. See children, this is the honey hive. And in the hive, it collects all the honey. There are so many honey bees in one hive. Okay, all these bees, they suck the honey from the flowers and then collect them in the hive. And children, this is how we get honey. Okay, honeybee gives us honey. This is grasshopper. Children, the color of the grasshopper is green in color and it lives on grass. So it is called as grasshopper. And children, grasshopper hops. This is ant. Children, ant is a very small insect, but it is called as a hard worker. You all know why? Because collects the food and it's stored for future. Okay, so that's why it is called a worker. It's question answer time. You all have to learn these question answers at home. So let's see the question and answers. Children, the first question is, how many legs do insects have? Tell me. Correct. Insects have 6 legs. Okay. Insects have 6 legs. The second question is, which insects spread diseases? Which are the insects that spread various diseases? The answer is house flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. House flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. Now let's see the next question. Which insect has beautiful wings? Yes, butterfly. The butterfly has beautiful wings. The butterfly has beautiful wings. Now next question is, which insect is known as a worker? Tell me, which insect is known as a hard worker? It stores food for future. Which insect is that? Yes, the ant. The ant is known as a worker. The ant is known as a worker. Next question. Which insect gives us honey? Yes, a honey bee gives us honey. A honey bee gives us honey. Last question, children. Which insect makes webs on walls and ceilings? A spider makes webs on walls and ceilings. A spider makes webs on walls and ceilings. Okay, children, you all have to say the answers in full sentence. Practice this question answers at home. Okay, children, we'll meet in another session. Thank you.